Alright, hey guys, got something cool again. Picked up this GE W-25 box fan from my local Habitat. It's in really good shape, pretty clean. There's very little rust on it. I think there's a little bit on the bottom. The grills have little flakes of rust here and there. Still has a price on it because they use Sharpie marker to write it on, but they also have stickers, so I don't know what the deal with that is. There was a little bit of vibrations in the motor, so it almost sounded like it had a burnt coil, so I think that's why the original people got rid of it. Anyways, yeah, it's pretty cool. Yeah, I don't think I have anything else to say about that. Yeah, let's get started. I decided to test out my box fans and all portables in a different location because the garage just didn't seem like a really great place to test them. So I'm going to test them in my office. If I have like a darker fan, I'll probably test it in my bedroom, which has a lighter door. So if it's a lighter fan, I have a darker background like in here. If it's a darker fan, I'll have... Or if it's a darker fan, I have a lighter background. It's a pretty beefy box fan. It doesn't have a current rating on it anywhere. I don't think box fans usually do, but I would assume this thing puts out a lot, or it draws a lot of power, I should say. And it puts out quite a bit too. This is quite a breeze. Let's go to high speed. Spin down. Unfortunately, I can't shut this door all the way because we had some water damage and it warped the entire frame. So, me and my dad are going to try to fix that over spring break. Probably readjust it. I don't think we'll have to take the entire frame off. Just do some with the lower part. Let's do 0 to high, so this thing sounds like it's going to be pretty cool. Anyways, there's my GE W-25 box fan, and hope you guys enjoyed.